All right. So our focus this week is going to be command of evidence. Command of evidence is really housed in two paired questions mostly, and you guys know what I'm talking about if you've seen these. There's question number one, and then question number two says, "What's the evidence to prove question number one?" Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be going through the week one work that you did and the questions that are on that. So if you do not have that in front of you, go ahead and get it. Go ahead and get your sheets that you did that kind of self-assessed on those questions, and I'm going to be talking about those. So pause this video now if you're not there. Okay. Anyway, if you look at the list that I have here on the screen for you, students of this course typically do well on question A, but question B, according to data, usually gives us a little bit more problem. Remember, we're talking about missing 5 or 6 questions to take you out of national merit range. So we're not saying that you're terrible at these questions. We're saying that we need to ensure that you're getting these questions right, especially because they usually appear at least 2 per passage, and you've got, 5 passages? So you've got about 10 questions that deal with this. So this is significant data. Anyway, look at the steps in the process. Number one, look at question A first. If there's obviously a best choice, then go with that. Then go to find it in the text where it was stated, and then answer question B, leveraging question A. That's a pretty simple process. Most of you do not miss those. Number two, if there is not an obvious answer, then we start eliminating poor choices, and let's go through the steps on distractors. First of all, the tone does not match the passage. So it's too harsh, it's too friendly, it's too, something. Anyway, second, extreme language. Always, never, all of these, every, those are extreme language, and it's going to be wrong. Half right and half wrong. They've got 2 parts to the answer, and part of it is right, and the second part you can't find. Well, it's half right and half wrong. Okay. And then the last one gives passage detail when it's asking for a summary, or it gives a summary detail when it's asking for a piece of the passage. Okay. Number 3, eliminate answer choices by using the number 2 here with these 4. And then number 4, work the text evidence in pairs. Look at question A, but then use the line numbers in question B to prove back question A. Okay. If you can eliminate 2 choices in the first question, then you only have to go back and prove, either one of the other 2 choices. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop there, and then my next bit is going to be going through the actual questions from the section that you did in week 1.